Okay.
Okay, we're rolling. Okay, so I'll do a little countdown so we know it's time. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so we're here today to open our YouTube Silver Play button in honor of 100,000 subscribers to my YouTube channel. That's the channel called SongBike, where you can learn lots and lots of ways to play the guitar, and lots and lots of songs you can play and so on. So let's get right to it. The YouTube Play button arrived. It was mailed to me. That's me, Jonathan, right there. And I'm going to open up the box, and I know there's a play button inside, but I'm curious as to what else might be in here. First of all, I want to thank all you YouTube subscribers, because I wouldn't be having this wonderful evening with my son Jonah.
Hello.
That's Jonah. And we wouldn't be having this wonderful evening here without you. So thank you so much to the 100,000 of you who have subscribed over the past 5 or 6 years. And I want to thank my wife for helping me make the first videos that I ever post on YouTube, and those are among my most popular videos. Okay, so I'm trying to open this kind of carefully. Looks like I just need my knife for that first tape cut, and I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, you ready? I reach in. Ooh, what's coming out here? Ooh, looks good so far. Very nicely packaged. Make sure there's nothing else in here. Okay, looks like that's everything. I'm going to save this box. Nice box, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks FedEx for bringing this beautiful box in the mail. Made it very clear that my play button had arrived. I'm going to set that aside. So we have some beautiful padding here. Excellent, very thin. Try to find a use for that in the future. Okay, we have a letter from Susan. Okay, Susan. Susan is the CEO from YouTube, and I bet you can read this, but I'm going to read this to you. It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." That's you out there. Thank you, everybody. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Susan. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. All right. You achieved this milestone with hard work. That's true. Yeah. Perseverance and probably a healthy sense of humor. Susan, it's like she knows me. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. You promise, Susan? I'm going to hold you that. Do not take this away from you, Susan. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way away. This is my cat, Katie. Hi, Katie. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan from YouTube. And this is very nice, heavy, thick stock. I'm going to save that. I might even put that in a frame and save that. Okay, so set that aside. Katie, you want to come help with this? Oh, this is really beautiful, huh? Look at this from YouTube. First of all, a little message here about, this is from Rick, the man who packaged up this award. It says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." Thank you, Rick. If your award is damaged during shipping, have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. And this is from Society Awards. This is out of Grove, Oklahoma. So for those of you viewers in Oklahoma, maybe take a drive over to Grove, Oklahoma, and you can see where all this stuff comes from. Okay, so you ready? Let's take a good look at this beautiful award from YouTube. Nicely packaged. I'm going to set that aside. Whoa, this is like a nice glossy, or not glossy, like a matte kind of brushed aluminum, maybe, would you say? Something like that?
Yeah, sounds about right.
There you go. And It's a play button. Again, this is silver to recognize 100,000 subscribers. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to blow a little dust away. Ooh, is that a mirror? Oh, look at that. Can you see my son Jonah in the shot there? Woohoo!
Hello.
Nice mirror image there. Play button, of course. Presented to SongBike. That's my brand name. And then my name, Jonathan Kiyu, right there, for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube, beautiful. It's nice and heavy. We're going to have to find a way to put this on the wall. Maybe a couple of screws into the wall might help. Can you see that okay?
Good, helpful thing to have in there.
Right.
Smart. They know where it's going.
They know where it's going. Yeah, nice felt back. And there you go. So all you YouTube subscribers, those of you, that's you, I'm talking to you right now, who have watched my videos, maybe for a few years now. I have, I think 500 videos on how to play the guitar. I want to thank you for this, because this is all thanks to you. So cool. I'm going to be talking about this for years and years to come. Ooh, look at that. Does that look like a little bend in the corner right there? Ooh, not an imperfection, but maybe somehow in the shipping it got like a little bend. That's okay. You know why? Because my guitar has a lot more than one little thing like that. So I'm okay with any little wear and tear. That's all right. Just beautiful. So I want to thank all you YouTube subscribers, all the people who've watched my videos and make great comments and suggest more guitar videos that we can produce for you. I want to thank you. So cool. I don't know, Jonah, where are we going to put this? At the music store, right? Probably at the music store.
Yeah, sounds about right.
And maybe hang it on the wall and maybe put this right next to it in a nice little frame so people can see what Susan from YouTube says and the plaque. And then we have this nice desiccant, a great, probably won't save this. Well, there you go. So everybody, thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you have a YouTube channel, I want to encourage you to stick with it, because if I can do this, you can do it too. It all started with a few videos, and that's why I'm wearing my beautiful orange shirt, because this is my orange shirt that I wore for my most famous video, the DCG trick. And I don't think I've worn this orange shirt since then. But I thought I'd wear it tonight because that's the video that probably earned me the most subscribers. So if you are making YouTube content out there, stick with it, because you too can get a silver play button, and you can tell me about it and show me your video when you unbox your play button. So that's about it. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm shooting for 200,000, okay? So now's your chance to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tons and tons of great guitar videos. And don't stop there. I have a website just for you. You can subscribe to my website. And the website is www.song-bike.com. Song-bike.com. And then you can find tons of videos that aren't on YouTube. And I think you'll love those videos too. So that's about it. Am I forgetting to say anything?
I don't think so.
Okay. Thank you to my wife Cheryl for her help and her patience. And thank you to my son Jonah for his help and his patience. And all those times remember that time when I fell asleep at Corner Music, making it like I slept there because I was up so late? And that happened one time.
No, I remember you staying up at this table working on videos.
That's right, it was at this table.
You would just be here with your desktop just working on them.
Yep. Oh my gosh.
At like 12.
Midnight. Oh my God, I do remember that. Well, thank you for your patience. And woohoo! Okay, everybody, so there it is, the YouTube silver play button. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. Check out my website, song-bike.com. And yeah, that's going to do it.
Yeah.
So take care, everybody, and thanks, YouTube. I really appreciate it.